Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast. Full guide. Preheat a skillet over medium heat and whisk eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla together until smooth. Dip brioche or thick bread slices briefly, soak evenly, then brown each side until golden and set aside. Keep warm in a low oven while finishing the batch. Serve immediately with butter, maple syrup, and fresh berries for best texture and flavor. Whisk 3 eggs with 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt in a shallow dish for the custard. Add a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg if desired, then taste for balance. Soak each slice 15 to 30 seconds per side depending on thickness, letting excess drip before pan. Cook in butter until deep golden and crisp, flipping once for even color. Keep warm in a low oven between batches to maintain crispness. Quick recommendation: if you like faster cleanups after a busy brunch, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It navigates smartly, responds to voice commands, and keeps floors clear. It fits under tables and schedules cleaning so crumbs and sticky syrup don't pile up. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like. It helps me make more recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve French toast hot for best texture and contrast with cold toppings like whipped cream or yogurt. Sprinkle powdered sugar, drizzle warm maple syrup, or add sliced bananas and berries for bright flavor and color. For make ahead, bake the soaked slices in a casserole dish and chill, then reheat in a toaster oven until crisp, or freeze single layers for quick breakfasts that reheat evenly. Serve with a side of bacon or yogurt for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.